Hi everyone, this is Geeta Kiran. Here is a small tutorial for all of you. Initially I thought of making this tutorial for all the moms out there, but later I felt this is useful for everyone. So let's start. Today's tutorial is all about Mang Tika or Vaithalyavattu. So this is basically about how to put this Mang Tika properly into the hair. As I thought of making this video, the main reason is I've seen in many occasions or many weddings, kids struggle to manage this Mang Tika or even moms struggle to put this Mang Tika for the kids. Am I right? If it is so, then this tutorial is especially for you. So the main problem with the Mang Tika is usually the kids, the puff will be made for the kids and then the Mang Tika will be put on the kids. Mang Tika will be dangling around or it will slide off and fall from the hair. So this is the main problems that usually occur for the kids. So this tutorial I'll help you how to place this Mang Tika properly in the hair so that it remains whole day in the kid's head for whole day. So hope you will enjoy and like this video. Thank you very much.
You take the Mang Tika usually you use a hook which is already available in the Mang Tika to fix it on the hair. So when you do such thing, it will be either look like it is one more thing which is added on the puff, or else it will divide your puff into two parts. So that there are chances are very high that it gets easily slided off, or it may easily be looks like it is dangling on the forehead of the kid. To do properly how the Mang Tika has to be fixed, the things that is really needed is a black thread or a rubber band, Mang Tika and few bobby pins. So these are all the main things that is required to do a proper Mang Tika. So what you first need to do is take a Mang Tika, wherever the hook is there, insert a thread into the hook. You can keep the thread longer, that won't create any problem for you. Even though if it is longer, no need to worry, leave it like that, we can fix it later on also. So take the thread, fix it, keep it in between the hook and then tie a knot. This will ensure that the thread and the Mang Tika are intact, so that there are no chances like Mang Tika may fall off and the thread remains in the hair. There are chances that usually happens. So to ensure that doesn't happen, we are tying the thread with the Mang Tika. So once you are done with tying the thread to the Mang Tika, how to fix it in the hair? To do that properly, first you need to do is take a sectioning proper. So whatever may be the hairstyle you are planning to do, whether you are planning to do a puff or a side partition or even a braid, side braid, or any hairstyle you are planning to do, the first and foremost thing that you have to do is take a middle partition and insert the Mang Tika properly and then do the hairstyle. This will help you in doing lot of things. Just that the hairpins are not visible anywhere, and also the Mang Tika chain which may be there, that chain is also not visible and it doesn't look dangling, or there are no chances of getting slided off. So the first and foremost thing, as I told, to do main is to do the middle sectioning. So once you are done with taking the middle sectioning, what you need to do is take a Mang Tika and fix it in the sectioning wherever, whatever you have done. Take the Mang Tika and put it in the section in the middle part on the forehead, so that you are securing not the Mang Tika, you are securing the thread. So the thread and Mang Tika are already been secured by a knot which we have already done it. So now we are securing the thread. How we are securing the thread? We are securing the thread to the hair using a bobby pins. So now how we are fixing the bobby pins? We are not just putting a bobby pin and leaving it like that. We are putting a bobby pins in a cross section, not in a straight way. We are putting it in a X pattern. So we are putting one from the side diagonally and another one on the bobby pin which we have already put. So that will ensure that even the bobby pins, if the hair is very silky, there are chances that bobby pins also may slide down. So to avoid that, we are securing both the bobby pins in a X section. So once you are done with this, so again there should not be any chances like there are slight chances of getting slided off also. To avoid that, what we are doing with the remaining thread, if the thread is even lengthier, what you do is take the thread both the ends, each end you put it in each bobby pins, within the bobby pins, and then tie a tight knot in the center of the X section where we have made. So that will ensure that it is completely tight and there are no chances of getting slided off. Hope you understand. Let me repeat. Take both the ends of the thread, put it inside the bobby pins of each bobby pins and tie a tight knot. As you have tied it in the mangtika and the thread, the same way you tie a knot in the middle part of both the bobby pins. Am I clear? So when you do that, bobby pins are also secure, mangtika is also secure, so that stays intact and tight. There are no chances of getting missed. So once you are done with this, cover the bobby pins with the hair, whatever is left over there, so that this ensures that pins are not visible and also the mangtika is secure. When you are doing a hairstyle like a puff or any other hairstyle, braid or anything, mangtika chain is also not visible and even the pins or a thread, it is not visible. If you feel the thread is lengthier, after doing a knot, you can cut off the extra length of the thread as well. Again, it's optional. If you leave it also, it doesn't look odd because it's of the color as of a color of a hair also. So no need to worry at all. Now we are putting a puff here and then securing the puff with the bobby pins. Once you are done with that doesn't dangle or slide off.
Hope you all enjoyed the video about mangtika. If you have liked this video and if you have any doubts or any questions related to this video, please feel free to comment in the section below so that I will be able to answer to all your queries. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.